Hi everyone, this is Tanya Milan from the Self-Sufficient Homestead, and today I want to introduce you to a product. This is the Mockmill 100, a German manufactured stone mill. Now this stone mill is made from repurposed materials and it's got a ceramic stone inside. It has got a 360 watt industrial motor that can grind 100 grams of flour per minute, and you can set it to different coarseness settings. There is fine and there is coarse. It's easy to use and easy to clean. You can grind anything from wheat to beans, lentils, chickpeas, spices and maize with this machine. So let me show you how to start with your machine, because if you've just taken it out of the box, there's a few things that you have to do. Number one, plug it in. Right, number two is put it on a nice flat surface. So we want to take out some transportation protection discs that are inside. Now, all of the Mock 200s have got it, and some of the Mock 100s got it. I have the Mock 100 and I didn't have it, but I'm going to show you anyway so you know how to do it. So firstly, this lever that is here, you turn anti-clockwise. And you keep going until it is out. Now, at the back of your machine, and before I turn the machine around, by the way, do not pick it up by the spout. You can either pick it up here or put it to the side and then pick it up. So I'm going to turn it around so you can see. There is two little buttons at the back. You gently press them, not hard. Press and lift. Now I've used this one, so it will have some flour inside, but this disc you need to turn anti-clockwise until it comes off. There it is. So your transport protection discs will be on the side here. So if you've got some, just remove them. Now if I lift this up, this is your ceramic discs that grind your flour. You'll see I've got some left there still. There's two lines here with a spring. They must always be in place. Align your disc again and close. Next thing, you take this part, put it back on, and in a clockwise direction, we close it again. So we turn it just until it's like finger tight, and then we turn it about a quarter of the way back. So now we need to make sure that the little hole for this is right here. Okay, on this side, on your right hand side of your machine. I'm going to put the top back on gently, and then I'm going to take my little lever and clockwise turn it back in. Do not turn it in too far, too tight, then you will break it. So just till it is nicely inserted. There we go. Did you see that? So there it is, and that's how you do it. Now, the next thing we are going to do is we're going to put it on, and we have to calibrate our stones, because we've moved everything around now, and we need it to be number 1 on the finest and number 10 on the most coarse setting. So how we do it, we put it on and we push the lever until we hear that the stones are touching. So the numbers here are not absolute, because you have to calibrate it the whole time. So I'm here and we still cannot hear the stones. Now we loosen our pin, we take it all the way to 10 and we tighten it again. And we're going to go back and hear if we can, if it touches. So slowly push it back. Can you hear? Okay, but we don't want it, we want it lower to touch the stone. So we're going to loosen it and we're going to take it to 1. Then we're going to tighten it. Move it back. Where you hear that the discs are starting, you want it round about number 3. So it's not there yet, so we'll have to take it back again. Loosen, move a bit this way, tighten. You see, nearly there. And there we have it on number 3. Just below it, you hear the stones touching. Now your machine is calibrated. Now we need to clean them all because you've never used it before. And how we do that is with white rice. White rice is pretty abrasive, so it's going to clean your stones nicely. One thing you need to remember when you put in your rice, it must be at number 10 when you put it through the first time. So I'm going to put it through slowly. And we're going to do it once more. Let me just get another bowl here. So now you can put it at a finer setting. I'll put it at number 6. And I'm going to put this rice flour through again. Your stones are now clean and ready to use. If you've got any questions, pop it in the comments below. I'm going to be making another video right now where I just show the different grains that you can grind with this. This is so exciting. I hope you have a good day, guys. If you enjoy my channel, please subscribe. And if you enjoyed this video, please like it. Thank you. Bye-bye.